Hello friends, this is Yogita Parmar and today we are going to cover a very important topic of physics, that is friction. Okay, before coming to the friction topic, just have some examples. Okay, जब आप फुटबॉल खेलते हो, okay, you kick the ball. What happens? The ball roll for some times and it stops. होता है ना ऐसा कि suppose this is your ball. Okay, and if you apply the force here, it rolls for a some time and it stops here. अपने आप रुक जाती है. क्यों? Nobody is there to stop. Then why the ball stop automatically by itself? होता है ना. अच्छा चलो, one more example. Suppose a toy car, हमारी toy car है, ठीक है, हम उसको push करते हैं like this. Suppose this is your toy car. Okay, and if you apply the force from this side, the toy car also moves for a certain distance and stops here. Stops here or not? Yes, it stops after some time. Okay, so what is the reason behind that? That the things used to stop after traveling, after going to the certain distance, the object stops. This is what? This is an invisible force known as फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स. ठीक है, जो यहां से अप्लाई हो रही है अपोजिट टू द मोशन ऑफ द बॉल. ओके, एंड दिस फोर्स इज नोन एज फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स. इसको हम फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स कहते हैं, जो कि अपोज करती है किसको? मोशन को. सो यू कैन कम टू द डेफिनेशन दैट इट इज अ फोर्स विच अपोजेस मोशन. ठीक है, जो मोशन को अपोज करती है, that invisible force is known as friction. Okay, suppose one more example I will give you. Suppose you have a swing in your house, okay, or you went for a garden where there is a swing with your sister. ठीक है, अब this is your swing stand. Okay, suppose this is the swing and your sister is sitting here. Your sister is sitting here and you are applying the force just behind your sister. Okay, पीछे से आप उसको push कर रहे हो. What will happen? The swing moves back and forth. ठीक है, फिर इसके बाद क्या होगा? After some time the swing moves and after some time the swing stops. Okay, your sister will say that थोड़ा और push करो, ये तो रुक गया. ठीक है, अपने आप रुक जाता है ना. So what this अपने आप रुकना is? Why the moving object stops automatically? It is the frictional force which opposes the motion of any object. Okay, it opposes the motion of any object. Okay, so that is the frictional force. Okay, now very important point of the friction force is that it is a contact force. Now what is this contact? Means it is a contact force. It's a type of contact force. Now what is this? Contact forces. When two things are in the contact. For example, if the book is lying on the table, ठीक है, if the book is lying on the table and the book are in the contact of each other. Okay, if the ball is rolling on the table or the surface, then too the ball and the surface are in the contact of each other. So जहां पे surface का contact होता है, वहीं पर friction force applied होती है. For example, if this ball is rolling in this cardboard, okay, so this ball and this cardboard, what they have? They have the contact with each other. The ball is in contact of this cardboard. Okay, so it stops after some time. If I roll it, it stops after some time. It is due to the frictional force. So frictional force is always a type of a contact force. Okay, so this is what the friction about, that it is a contact force. Then one more example. अच्छा, it's a type of the contact force. अच्छा, मैंने इसको ऊपर in the air I have done this like this, then फ्रिक्शन है क्या इसमें? एयर में फ्रिक्शन है क्या? यस. यहाँ कोई सरफेस हमें कार्डबोर्ड या टेबल नहीं दिख रहा है, then to the air has friction. Okay, the particles of air has the friction. So the ball comes like this. There is a friction. So there is also contact between the ball and the air. Okay. So one more example, in the water we can say the river when you roll, okay, in the boat, okay, what happened that अगर हम उसको नहीं चला रहे हैं बोट को, तो बोट क्या रहेगी, अपनी ही जगह अपनी प्लेस पे रहेगी. ओके, सो व्हाट यू डू, हम उसको रोर करना स्टार्ट करते हैं जिस डायरेक्शन में हमको जाना है, ठीक है, लेकिन देयर इज एन अपोजिट फोर्स विच इज अप्लाइड टू द अपोजिट साइड, ओके, जो हमें आगे बढ़ने से रोकती है. देन वी अप्लाई मोर फोर्स, हम और ज्यादा फोर्स उसको अप्लाई करते हैं जो फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स को ओवरकम कर देती है. ओके, एंड देयरफॉर द बोट स्टार्ट्स मूविंग. So in the water also there is a friction known as fluid friction, which we will discuss in our later videos. Okay, students, and one more important point of the friction is that suppose take you to palms, okay, and when you rub in winters, what happens? This is what? This is friction only, na? The two surface. Okay, what happened when we rub? The hands get heat up. So one more important point of the friction is that heat is released in the friction. अच्छा, हर जगह ये रोक देता है, हर जगह अपोज करता है. So it is our enemy only. क्या हमारा फ्रेंड नहीं हो सकता है? Suppose we are walking, हम चल रहे हैं, ठीक है. When we walk, what happen? We are overcoming the friction. Friction तो यहाँ से हमें आगे जाने से रोक रहा है, but we are applying more force towards this direction, and what happened? We are overcoming the friction. Okay, so we are able to move. Suppose there is no friction. Suppose zero friction, है ही नहीं है friction, फिर क्या होगा? अगर फ्रिक्शन ही नहीं होगा तो हमें अपोज करने के लिए ही कोई नहीं होगा, और हमें अगर अपोज करने के लिए कोई नहीं होगा, देन व्हाट विल वी आर नॉट एबल टू वॉक, हम गिर जाएंगे, ठीक है. सो इट इज नॉट ऑलवेज दैट द फ्रिक्शन इज बैड, इट इज आवर एनिमी, मानते हैं, बट एट द सेम टाइम्स इट इज आवर फ्रेंड ऑल्सो. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियोस वी विल कवर द टाइप्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन. Thank you. Have a nice day.